What's going on, guys? We are back, and today we're going to be swapping out the gauge cluster in this truck because it stopped working with this nice custom one from. So we're going to show you how to do it. Pretty simple. Let's hop in. Damn, look at that interior. Oh my God, don't look at this. It's another GM thing. SEMA truck doesn't even have fixed, what are these, window rollers? All right, let's get up in here. First step, put the key in the ignition. Don't need to turn the truck over. Just need to get it to the point where the aux is on, and then put your foot on the brake and drop it all the way down so you've got some room here, and then take your steering wheel. Mine's already all the way down, just make sure it's as low as it can go. That's gonna give us room to pop this bezel out right here. All you do, grab behind it, pull up and out. I got a mic here, hold on. If you have a mic on your dash, you gotta take the mic off. Bang. There's piece number one.
You want me to take that?
Sure, here, Dom. Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
Now we can put this back up for now so I can take my foot off the brake. I'll drop the key off. Let's see if my memory serves me well. So good.
It's a 7?
7.
Nice.
Now I need the actual part. Get your 7 mil. And then there's gonna be 4 bolts we gotta take out. Now this is where it gets real tricky, guys. 1 in the top right, 1 in the bottom right, 1 in the bottom left, 1 in the top left. Just make sure you don't drop the bolts because they're gonna disappear into your dash and then it's gonna take way longer than the 30 seconds it should. Four bolts. Key back in the ignition. Turn it to aux. Drop this all the way back down. This guy should pull right out now. Might have to wiggle it a little bit. Kind of lean the bottom out towards you. And then you'll see on the back side here, that's the harness that we need to get off. So, looks like we should just squeeze these together. This top one is locked in right here. So if we take this pick, we pull it up, it gets that guy out. And then what else do they want? This blue one, a squeeze? Squeeze and a pull? Oh, maybe it just needs a little help. Mine is more stuck seemingly than the other people that are making these videos. Okay, so you squeeze these 2 tabs right together and then it pulls out. If yours is stuck a little bit like mine, just take a pick and kind of just help wiggle this gray piece free. And then this old girl comes out. And there we go. So here's the comparison between the old one, nice and dusty, and the new one. So there's the difference between the two. Looks good. All right, let's put the new one in. Same plug, up on the top here. Whoa, we fired up. Okay, let's see this new one. Woo, look at that. It's a beautiful thing. Why is it fucking pink? Why is it pink? Maybe it just needs a full fire up here, you know? What's going on here? Hold on, let me catch a vibe in here.
All right.
Let's see. Pretty pink. That's like pink.
Yeah, that's
like pink.
Yeah. That's not even close to orange.
There should be a startup that happens right here. Change engine oil. Thanks. Lucky.
Oh, nice.
Too bad everything's pink.
Yeah.
That sucks.
Guess not.
I asked him in the picture too. I was like, it kind of looks more red. Because in his picture it looks red. I was like, it looks more red than orange. He was like, oh no, it's red or it's orange in person. Hey brother, that's straight pink.
You still want to finish it?
Well, we gotta put her in.
Okay.
I don't even know if he's gonna reply to me. I might just have to build one myself. Next video.
Next video, how to build one.
Now that we've got her in, just gotta put these 4 bolts back in. Now the key, don't drop them now. This is the hardest part. You just got to get them started. I even start them by hand if I can. Because like even the ones I've done previously have that little fucking...
Sink.
God, that's pink as fuck. Shit. But for now, we're catching a vibe.
Got a
Little Barbie vibe. You don't gotta crank these things in. They're just holding it in place. Otherwise, you'll snap the plastic around it. Slide this guy in. Don't do that. Don't drop it and make the job way longer. Where'd it go? It didn't come out the bottom. Now it's stuck in my dash. God damn it. All right, let's put the other one in, see if we drop that one too. I warned them, Dom.
Oh no,
I said, don't drop it. It'll make your life way harder. And what do?
Gosh darn dropped it.
I gosh darn dropped it. Let's find this stupid thing. Where are you? Now you gotta do ballet and shit. Oh, no way. That was so lucky. I put my hand right on it.
Nice.
Huge. Okay, we're back. They were gonna grab the bezel for me.
Yeah, prompt on it right here.
Incredible.
There you go. Hey,
Okay.
hey, dab me up, bro. Dab me up.
Oh, with
Left
left hand?
hand.
How do I even?
Hell yeah.
All right, turn it back to aux here. Pull this all the way back down again. Take this old girl. Oh, if you've got a mic, don't forget to pop that back up where it needs to come out. There. I'll get the mic up and attached before I squeeze it in down there. Give her a little wiggle. It binds up right up in here and right here, so you just gotta kind of find the sweet spot, push this down a little bit. Turn your hazards on. Ooh, hazards are white, that's kind of cool. Just make sure she's happy and in place. Oh, we got tension right here. When do we get tension? What is the beef?
Just give it one nice punch.
You told me to punch it, Dom.
I didn't mean it.
I definitely think I broke it.
I think so too.
I think odds are pretty high. Why is there so much tension though? Don't capture that, Dom. This is a how-to. Not a how-to-not. Oh. All right. There we go. She's in. I broke one piece, not. Or did I? Oh no, I'm just missing.
Nice.
All right. There she is. New one's a little bit pink, but we're gonna figure that out. It might just need full power. This is kind of a dead battery. So they might not be shining at full capacity. Huh? But look at this. So that's what it looks like dead. Fire up. Let's try to fire the truck up. Let's see if she starts. Right in the garage. Bring her to hibernation, see if that makes a difference. Nah, it's still a little bit pink. Straight out of the winter hibernation, just get her going. All right guys, that is the quick and easy version of how to install that gauge cluster on your truck if you've got a GMT800. New video coming soon, how to rebuild them, because this one's pink instead of orange. So stay tuned and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.